Happy Saturday and happy February. We are back and diving into couponing, affiliate marketing, and finances. All the topics that mean big business.
That's right. And our next guest is a coupon genius. And today she is showing us how we can save money and earn money with affiliate marketing. Plus, she will be sharing how she has developed her own products and services to align with her affiliate programs so that you can too. Please welcome Mickiala Williams to the show.
Hello. Welcome to the show, Mickiala. We are excited to have you here. Let's get right into it. It seems like something that was only popular years ago with our parents and grandparents, but why does everybody need to continue to integrate couponing into their weekly routine?
Because couponing is nothing but personal finance and also is nothing but shopping. So you see all this stuff behind me, but it really is everything in front of me, which is your house, your car, any of your necessities. So it's beyond everything that you see beyond me, and look forward to other things that we'll talk about a little bit later on.
That's great. So, how long have you been couponing and how much money have you saved doing this?
Ooh, I've been couponing since 2010, and during that year was a recession, and I was laid off of my job. So it was something that I started temporarily. And I didn't know much, but I did have an aha moment, and I created digital products and affiliate marketing, all that to create or to actually to solve a problem that I saw in the coupon community.
So, what was the problem that you found in couponing?
Well, there was several problems that I saw. So one of them is there's people sitting on the sideline. They say they don't have money, or they need more money, or they're running out, or they have a bunch of debt. So that was a problem that I know that couponing can solve. Second, there's people that have already started, and 54% of people here in the US live paycheck to paycheck. I'm thinking if they've already started, then that's an issue. So I created affiliate marketing and my online course to solve all of that.
Awesome. So you're promoting brands that you like to shop and coupon with. I love this. So
Yeah.
what are the top affiliate programs that you're earning money from right now?
Ooh, there's plenty, and you have so many to choose from, but my top one is Amazon. The others will be Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, Shopkick, but my most favorite, like I said, the most lucrative is Amazon.
So, how can we earn money on Amazon specifically?
There's so many different income streams within Amazon, but they do have a free program. You don't have to put any money up. There's two different types of programs, the Amazon Associate, and then there's also the Amazon Influencer. All you have to do is apply, and it's totally FREE.
Wow, that's awesome. Now, tell me, how do you use social media to convert your followers to buy from your affiliate programs that you promote? And what are the best strategies you practice?
To get your followers to convert to follower to customer is to give them a call to action and to show up consistently. Your goal is not to come on a Monday and then leave them 17 Mondays from there. If you say that you're going to go live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, do that. And then also show your personality. The personality that you see me on TikTok and Instagram and Amazon.com when I live stream there is when I'm with my family. I'm really an introvert at heart, but when I'm around my family, that personality, that bubbly person is what you see when I'm around people that I know. And of course, I call everybody online my internet cousins. So that's where I'm at when I'm online and talking to my people that I call my internet cousins.
You are even talking, or taking your affiliate marketing a little further by not just promoting the products of others, but you also have created your digital products and services to support your followers and their businesses. So please share with us your thoughts around the creation process and also about around your products and service development.
So passive income and that sleep coin is what I am all about. So if you work at 9 to 5 and you're like, I don't have time to do this, at least create a digital product, whether it's an ebook or it's an online course, a mini course, and maybe a 1 hour Zoom that you recorded, so that while you're on your 9 to 5, that you're still making income and it's rolling in, so that you teach the people online whatever your skill set is, and then implement your affiliate marketing within that, so you also have money rolling in as well if you sign up for other programs, including Amazon, Ibotta, and all the things.
So let's talk about your TikTok. You have a huge following. How did you build it?
Well, I do have a huge following. I have 106,000 followers on TikTok, and I believe I have 26,000 on Instagram. So, how did I build it? By being consistent. But I
Mm.
also was there when there was zero people following me. I was talking on camera when there was one person in the room, as if there was 200 in the future, which is that now. So, I was consistent. I was not looking for a crowd. And one time my video went viral and they continue to go viral. But you have to be very consistent and persistent and patient because an audience is not going to be there at first. So, like I said, I was going live, I was posting those videos, getting zero views, but I was also patient at the same time.
Okay, you mentioned going viral. What was
Yes.
the video about that went viral?
It was about me getting some toilet paper for 11 cents each. So I believe it was Cottonelle or somewhere of that brand. And I was giggling. It was an 11-second video. I got 1.6 million
Wow.
views. And all I did was giggle and show that the screen of me getting it for 11 cents each.
That's amazing. And then looking at the products behind you, it's clear you stayed stocked all the way up. Are those your personal items behind you? And where do you find your coupons?
All right. So, yes, I do use all of these products. They are personal. No, I do not sell them. And also, where do I get my coupons? They come from various sources. And that is a question that I get a lot. And I cannot give you one set answer. And the reason why coupons come online, they're also on the product when you're inside of the store. They're also on in the mail when you get it, when you check your mail. So there's so many different ways of getting coupons that there's no set way. But we are in an age where it's digital couponing compared to maybe like 15 years ago, or maybe before pre-COVID, where things were more of a physical coupon state. But now we're in a digital stage where you can get it online and also through apps and all the things.
Excellent tips, Mickiala. Now, I know people are at home saying, sign me up. How can we connect with you and work with you?
You can definitely connect with me on social media. I'm on TikTok. I'm also on Instagram, and all my name all across the board is called the Coupon Genius.
Thank you, Mickiala, for being with us and sharing these tips to help our viewers with their finances. We loved having you on this show, and this is another amazing Black owned business to support. So, her information can be found below, and we have much more coming up after the break.